Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best flight bird cage is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your feathered friend. These cages are specifically designed to give your birds the space they need to fly and exercise, which is absolutely crucial for their physical and mental well-being. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Let's dive in and find out. Number 5. ZENY 53-inch bird flight cage. This Parrot cage is built with iron and a non-toxic, powder-coated finish, ensuring its durability and your bird's safety. It's also easy to move around with the rolling casters, allowing you to bring it outside for fresh air. The front door features a secure lock, providing added safety for your pet. The rounded corners are designed to protect them from potential injuries, giving you peace of mind. It has one front door with large latches for easy access to your pet and accessories. There are also 4 small doors for convenient access to food and water, making it easy to care for them. The bottom grill and tray are removable, making cleaning a breeze. It comes with 4 plastic cups for food and water, and 2 perches for them to sit and play on. This bird flight cage is suitable for a variety of small to medium-sized birds, including budgies, parakeets, and cockatiels. It's a comfortable and safe home for your feathered friends. What we like? This cage prioritizes your bird's safety with its non-toxic, powder-coated finish and secure locking mechanism. It's perfect for multiple small to medium-sized birds, providing ample space. If you have a variety of feathered friends or are concerned about safety, you should consider this. What people say. The cage is nice looking, very sturdy. This cage is built for easy daily cleaning. It comes with 2 long perches that go all the way across, but I ordered more natural perches that vary in size and shape. Number 4. Prevue Hendryx F050X Large Wrought Iron Flight Cage. This extra-large flight cage is designed to comfortably house multiple small birds. It provides ample room for them to move around and spread their wings. This cage ensures your birds have a comfortable living space. This versatile cage is suitable for a variety of small to medium-sized birds. It's ideal for parakeets, finches, canaries, and many other species. The cage offers a secure and comfortable environment for your feathered friends. The cage is easy to assemble and comes with essential accessories. It includes food and water cups, along with perches for resting. There's also a bottom shelf for extra storage. The cage features convenient access points for easy cleaning. It includes a pull-out bottom grill and tray. The rolling casters make it easy to move the cage around. The cage measures 37 inches long, 23 inches wide, and 60 inches high. The interior offers plenty of space for your birds to thrive. It provides a safe and comfortable habitat. What we like? This cage offers an extra-large space for your birds to roam freely. It's also designed for easy cleaning with a pull-out tray and features rolling casters for easy movement. If you are looking for a spacious and easily movable cage, this one is a great choice. What people say. The cage is a good size for a small bird. The cage is easy to clean. The cage is well made. Number 3. Best Choice 36 inches bird cage for small birds. This 36-inch tall iron bird cage is perfect for small to medium-sized birds. It provides a safe and spacious environment where they can comfortably stretch their wings. The cage features a slide-out debris tray, making cleaning a breeze. The iron wire floor panel keeps your bird from stepping into any mess. Made with powder-coated iron wire, this cage is built to last. It ensures a safe and sturdy home for your feathered friend for years. The cage comes with a detachable ladder, wooden perches, and a multicolor bell toy. It will keep your bird entertained and engaged. It includes 4 small doors for easy access to food and water. This makes it simple to change the bird's food and water. The cage measures 18 inches in length, 14 inches in width, and 36 inches in height. It's a perfect size for your beloved birds. What we like? This cage features tightly spaced wires for safety and a slide-out debris tray for easy cleaning. It also includes toys to keep your birds entertained. If you like a cage that is easy to clean and provides entertainment for your birds, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect size for my 2 parakeets, easy to assemble. It comes with toys, which is always a nice little bonus. Good size, very spacious. Pretty easy to set up, and functions as it should. Number 2. Yaheetech 47-inch rolling bird cage, black. This Yaheetech bird cage offers a comfortable living space for your feathered friends. It's designed with safety in mind, ensuring they stay secure and happy in their home. The main door opens in 2 ways, making it easy to access the inside. There are also supplementary doors for changing food and water, preventing any unexpected escapes. With wheels, you can easily move the cage around. It also has safety brakes to keep it stable wherever you place it. The rolling stand allows the birds to enjoy different environments. The bottom shelf provides convenient storage for supplies, keeping everything organized. The pull-out tray simplifies cleaning for you. It catches droppings and spilled seeds, keeping the cage tidy and the birds healthy. What we like? This cage features a safety door design and is both movable and stable, thanks to its rolling stand with safety brakes. The rolling stand also provides a shelf for storage. If you are looking for a cage that is easy to move around and offers extra storage, you should consider this. What people say. Rolls smoothly, will locks work? Drawer to clean slides out easily. Doors work well. Number 1. Topeakmart Flight Parrot Bird Cage with Rolling Stand. This extra-large bird cage is perfect for multiple small to medium-sized birds. It's designed to comfortably house your feathered friends, providing them with ample space to move around. Constructed from robust, powder-coated metal, this cage is built for durability. The hammered paint finish not only looks great but also resists water and scratches, ensuring a safe home for them. Cleaning is a breeze with the 2 large doors and a pull-out tray. The metal grate keeps the birds safe while maintaining cleanliness, making it easy to keep their home tidy. It features an open shelf for extra storage. This provides a convenient place to keep cleaning supplies, toys, and food, keeping everything organized. The cage has 4 360-degree industrial casters, allowing you to move it effortlessly. You can easily relocate it to any room or location you desire. What we like? This cage provides extra-large space for multiple birds and is constructed with sturdy, durable materials. It also features extra storage space for your convenience. If you like a cage that is spacious and offers storage, you should consider this. What people say. It came with 4 decent-sized 2-sided food-water dishes that hook on and 3 dowel perches. The bottom grate and tray slide in and out, which make cleaning the cage and swapping out the lining super easy. I like the fact it has both a removable catch tray and the grate that covers it. So easy to pull out and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.